Do there exist alternative options for implants for teeth? Dental implants are now the most popular method of replacing teeth that are missing and to restore the health of your mouth. They may, however, not be the right choice for every person due to many reasons such as cost, timing, and health concerns. The following video will examine alternatives to implants for dental that could be worth a look. 1. Dental bridges. One of the most commonly used alternative to dental implants is dental bridges. Dental bridges are a prosthetic device which is utilized for the replacement of some or all missing teeth. It is composed of two crowns that are fitted over the teeth to each side of the gap. There is also the false tooth, or teeth, inside. Dental bridges can be constructed using a variety of materials, including porcelain, stainless steel, or a mix of the two. Though they're not as durable as dental implants, bridges may be an affordable and quick solution to replacing missing teeth. 2. Removable dentures. Another option for dental implants are removable dentures. They are prosthetic devices which replace teeth that are missing and their surrounding tissues. They're typically made from acrylic or are a mix of metal and acrylic. They can be removable in a completely or partially, depending upon the quantity of teeth missing. They may not have the same durability and stability as implants. Removable dental dentures are the most cost-effective choice for the replacement of teeth that are missing. 3. Implant-supported dentures. If you're not qualified for dental implants traditional because of the low bone mass, implant-supported dental implants might be a feasible alternative. Implant-supported dental dentures are comparable to conventional dentures, however they're connected to dental implants which are surgically inserted into the jawbone. This gives them more security and function when compared with removable dentures. Implant-supported dental dentures could be an excellent option for patients seeking a secure alternative to replacing missing teeth. 4. Mini dental implants. Mini dental implant are the smallest versions of the traditional dental implant. They can be employed for situations where there's no bone enough to support conventional implants. Mini dental implants aren't as imperceptible and often installed in just one appointment to a dentist. Though they aren't ideal for all situations, but mini dental implants may provide a viable alternative to people who don't qualify for the traditional implant due to the loss of bone or any other issue. 5. Bridges bonded with resin. Resin-bonded bridges are also referred to as Maryland bridges, offer a different choice to implants when it comes to filling in missing teeth. Resin-bonded bridges are made up of a false tooth, which is fixed to adjacent teeth by using either the use of porcelain or metal wings. This kind of bridge is commonly used to replace front teeth. It can be cost-effective and conservative option compared to traditional dental bridges and implants. There are many options available for dental implants which could work to replace missing teeth. You should consult with your dentist in order to decide the most appropriate option to suit your particular situation. Dental implants can be a well-known and efficient solution, but they are not the best option for every person. Look into the different options discussed in the video and talk about these options with your dentist for the best solution to improve your oral health and appearance.